That's honestly what I got. I mean, somebody is trying to do whatever they can to make sure you guys do not end up with each other. So, let's just jump in. I need y'all to spiritually hold hands and say kumbaya or something. Like, we need to sway. Because I'm trying to get this video out to y'all, but it keeps cutting off. So, I'm praying that we can get through this. Okay, guys. Spirit, if you can give me some information for my Leos. I want to do a general reading for my Leos, please. Alright, guys, here we go. I'm crossing my fingers. Like, seriously. Bottom of the deck, sorry for the glare. You have the Page of Cups reversed. So, I'm telling you, there's somebody who's very immature, somebody who is very childish here. This could be your love interest. This could be your love interest ex or soon-to-be ex. There's somebody who has been very immature and childish. Yeah, see, there's a third party. See what I'm saying? So, this person broke your heart because there is a third party here. Yep, look at... See what I'm saying? Y'all, okay. Definitely there's a third party here. And it's like the person that wants to be with you, they want things to improve, but they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, it's not going to grow. Because they did put you in a third party situation. And see, now it's like they learned their lesson and they want to come towards you to fix this. They want to make things right. And that's what I kept seeing. But they're trying to figure out how to go about doing it. Okay? Tell me more, please. And that's why they're not talking to you. So they're trying, I feel like they're trying to secretly, I saw the honeymoon card all 3 times when I pulled the card. So I'm telling you, this person is making plans to come towards you, Leo. They're making plans, but they're keeping it to themselves, and now I see why they're keeping it to themselves, because there's an ex, or there's a family member, or there's an individual that is trying to do whatever he or she can to stop this person from coming towards you. This is why you're not hearing from them. Yeah, because they're dealing with somebody from their past, and they don't want to argue with this person anymore. They're tired of conflict. I feel like they don't even want to argue with you anymore. But see, somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But I feel like this person, they didn't bring stability into the situation before because of the interference here. And due to that, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. They feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But see, this person, I'm telling you, they went through some type of transformation. They went through an awakening. Because see, now they want stability with you, Leo. They want it all with you, but then I tell you there's somebody over here that does not want that to take place. They do not want that to happen. This person is holding on to them for some type of financial stability because I clearly saw the codependent card and underneath it was healing family issues. So there's some type of codependency to a family situation that's going on. Somebody is, I feel like, wanting, needing, using this person for finances. What's it like this? So, some of you could be dealing with a Gemini. But I feel like this person knows you're the one. They love you. You are their soulmate. And they want to come towards you to make things right. Yep. And that's why they're going to come and give you an offer, Leo. They're coming. They're definitely going to give you an offer. And see, there's the offer card. I'm telling you, you're getting an offer. It's what you deserve. And see, they're coming back because they want to balance things out with you. Tell me about the 6 of Pentacles, please. But they're worried. Because I feel like they were given to someone else, whether it's the ex, whether it's a family member, whether it's the ex and the family member, friends, whoever. Like, they were given to everyone but you. And see, now this is why they're frustrated because they may have put themselves in a situation to where, yes, they're coming back to you. You're the one that they want to be with, but they may still have to give to this other individual. So they're trying to figure this out. Tell me more. Yeah, see? They want things to improve. They want things to improve with you, Leo. Because they messed up. And see, they're coming to speak their truth to you. They're going to come and talk to you. That's all I kept seeing. This person is making plans to come. They want to speak their truth. And look, and they're holding on to hope. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Pisces. Others of you, somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But I'm telling you, somebody is trying to get out of something. Could be a legal situation, a contract, home. There's something that they're trying to get out of. And they're wanting to come towards you to speak their truth. Tell me more. But every time they want to come towards you, they don't. They talk themselves out of it. And it's like they know that they didn't balance things out in the past. And this is why they're afraid that you may reject them. But see, this individual wants to have a victory with you, Leo. They want to balance things out here. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Look at that. I'm telling you, they're coming, guys. They're coming to give you the offer that you deserve. Look at that. With the Ace of Cups, it's overflowing. But see, they're having a hard time. They're having a hard time approaching you right now. Yep. But that offer, that's all they can think about is giving you an offer. But they cannot give you this offer until they remove themselves from that third-party situation. And they know that they disappointed you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I told, like, this person that you're thinking about as I'm, pulling cards, this person has a hard time showing their emotions, and it's like they want to come and give you this offer of stability, this offer to have, to build a family, to have like it all. But the biggest lesson for them is speaking their truth. That's why, remember I told y'all in the beginning with deception, it's like they wore a mask. This person knows how to hide how they truly feel. Tell me more, please. Yep. But they're coming out of being sad. Definitely coming out of being sad about the situation. And see, they're going to rush back in. They're rushing in to speak their truth to you. Okay. But they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But yeah, I'm telling you, this person's coming back to give you the offer of love. They're offering you their cup. They want a commitment with you. But see, right now they're isolating themselves from you. Could be dealing with a Virgo. They're isolating themselves because they're not confident that you're going to accept this cup from them. They're not confident. But they're going to come back and apologize to you for everything that they have done. But they're trying to figure out how to go about doing that. They're trying to figure this out. Look at that. I'm telling you, somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but they know that they hurt you. Leo, there's like, they really did a number on you, right? And they hurt you, and they're afraid that if they come and offer you this cup, that you're going to be kind of like how they were, where you're not going to speak your truth. Now it's like you're wearing a mask. But it's like, in your defense, you're tired of talking to this person. You're tired of trying to build something with them just for them to let you down. So let's see. And this is why this person is going to come back and put in the work to win you back. They're going to have to prove that they're worthy of your time. And see, yeah, they're trying to make a decision right now. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But this person, it's like they know, it's like I feel like they were looking for the truth from a lot of different people. You, the person they could have been dealing with, friends, family, whatever. But it's like now they're cutting off what no longer serves them. But they are afraid that you're going to cut them off for good if they don't come back and put in this work. Look, see, they're also cutting. I told you they're cutting off things that no longer serve them. And so if they're stuck in a relationship with this ex or stuck in a family situation, they're freeing themselves. They're becoming single. They're removing themselves from situations. They are. Yeah, this person is no longer confused. They're not. They're no longer battling themselves. They know what they need to do. They're coming out of being frustrated about it. See? Because they want to turn things around. But see, that's why they know in order for them to turn things around, they had to let go of all of this. Everything that it just doesn't matter. Because it's like there was a lot of interference between the two of you. So it's like if you guys want to be on the same page, or basically you're on one page, they need to catch up. They know that they cannot keep doing the same nonsense. They just can't. They're not tolerating it. And see, this person, they're not using their intuition because they feel like at this point, you're moving on. You're moving on, or you have moved on. You're focusing on yourself. You're healing, and it's like you are. You're not worried about them. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles, please. Okay. Yep. Okay. So listen, you are moving on, but I'm going to tell you, whoever this ex is, or whoever this person is that I kept seeing codependent, healing family issues, well, whoever that person is, or that individual is to this person or your person. I'm sorry, I know I'm confusing y'all, but y'all just follow me. Basically, they're looking at that person like, you use me, you only want me to give to you, whether it's financially, or you're using me to help you do something, you know, or to climb the ladder to get to wherever it is that you want to go. Like, you're using me. You know, this person over here never would have treated me like this, so I'm walking away from you. They're gonna let you know they're leaving a toxic situation alone. They're removing themselves. They could have been dealing with the Capricorn, but they are walking away. They don't want a new beginning with this person, but this person is afraid that you don't want to build with them. You could have been dealing with the Capricorn, but let's see. Yeah, see, this person left you out in the cold. But you guys have been healing. And see, they made a decision. They want to talk to you. There's communication coming in, Leo. There's communication coming in. And they want to let you know that they don't want you guys to look back at the past. Like, if I talk to you and I tell you what's been going on, you say what you have to say, I say what I have to say. Like, will you at least give me the chance to prove to you that I'm the man or I'm the woman that you need? So let's just say you agree, like, all right, well, I'm not making any promises, but you can try.